Hey guys, it's never been easier to apply different materials to the object in Unreal Engine 5. Let me show you how to do it. So the first step after you import your object that you want to change materials is to go to the over here modeling tools. If you don't have all these tools, make sure to go to Edit, Plugins and type in Modeling. And make sure that this modeling tools editor mode is enabled. So enable it and restart the Unreal Engine. After that, go to modeling mode. After that, click this more and select these attributes. And over here, you can see this edit materials. So click it. And now we can paint on this skull. And to do that, we will go over here a little bit down. You can see active material and we need to add another material here. So click over here, add element. You can see this index 1. Over here, you can change to another material. If you don't have materials ready, you can easily add some materials by going here, add, and go to add feature content pack, and we go to content, add starter content. In this starter content, we have some materials that we can easily use for our project. You can see the starter content is here, and you can see materials here. Go back to your modeling and choose another material. For example, we will type in steel. And over here, choose this metal steel. And make sure that under active material, choose your newly selected material, steel. And now we can paint. For example, let's paint the half of the skull like this. Just press left mouse button and paint where you want your material to appear. You can see over here that we didn't precisely choose things. So you can always go here up and change the size of the brush. So we can paint all these details here. If you need to delete materials, just hold shift and left click to paint again to make it, for example, in the middle. And you can also go here to grow or shrink it, or you can change this optimize border and it will optimize the border so you can see it's going relatively in the middle of the skull. After that, don't forget to click this assign active material. And you can see that now we have this new material applied to our skull. So click accept and go back to selection mode. And now if you select your skull and go on the right side under the details, you can see that we have element 0 and element 1. This element 1 is our new material. And now if you go to your materials in your starter content, you can easily, for example, drag and drop this water lake material. You can drag this wood floor, and you can drag this grass material, whatever and however you want. You can also alt and drag to duplicate items. For example, let's make 3 of those skulls. And now select the first one and change material here. And select the third skull and change the material here. And this is how you change materials to your liking. If I go F11, you can go full screen on over here. I can delete the floor so you can see it better, and go Ctrl L to move the sun so we can make a nice thumbnail for this video. For example, something like this. And this is it, guys. This is how you apply different materials to the same mesh in Unreal Engine 5. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it is, drop some likes and comments below. Subscribe for more videos like this, or support this channel and me on Patreon. It will means a lot to me. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.